This is Cincinnati's first and only all-local morning news. Fox 19 Morning News. First, live, local.
Now here's Rob.
All right, Sheila, thank you very much. You know, I'm a tech junkie, and our internet expert says, you know, if you don't have a smartphone, you're losing out. I mean, this phone can do it all. Joining us this morning is Dave Hatter. Dave, how you doing?
Good, Rob. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Now, I feel like I need one of these.
It's
Let's talk
cool.
about what this phone is. It's a smartphone.
Basically, I'm going to try and hold it up for the camera here and let them get a shot of this. All a smartphone is really is a convergence of standard cell phone technologies with personal digital assistance. So you get kind of the best of both worlds, and this one happens to have a bunch of other features thrown in. It's a digital voice recorder. It's a camera. It'll do all kinds of different things.
Now, I'll tell you this. I know my phone has internet access, but when I pull up the internet, it does not look like that. I don't actually see pages of the internet. You can see he's pulled up fox19.com, and if you see right there at the top of the screen, you can see Sheila's, Paul's, and my faces. And I know I don't get that on my phone. Yeah,
this literally is a full-fledged web browser. In addition, it works just like Windows. The nice thing about this phone, there's a variety of different smartphones on the market. This one is running a version of Windows. So if you use Windows, it's very simple to understand and it's easy to be familiar with. Plus, they've programmed all these buttons. So if you want to access your contact list, you can just press this button, cooperate with me here.
And that's all your contact list, phone numbers and whatnot.
Synchronized with my computer. That's one of the beautiful things about this. So if I need to call someone on the phone, I can simply pick a number here. You know, I can send them email from this phone. I can dial their phone. I've got a full-blown calendar in here, which is synchronized with the computer. It's got a digital camera. I can hit this button, and you can see I'm now looking around the studio, and I can start taking photos. It's got a digital voice recorder. I like to make myself little messages here because I constantly forget things I'm supposed to do. It's got a full-fledged QWERTY keyboard in it. You can see how this expands. Now, I got to admit, these keys are awful small. I usually have to use a stylus or a pen and type on the screen. It has a keyboard, a digital keyboard through the screen, so you can type into it. Because it's a Windows-based phone, it comes with things like Internet Explorer, which you saw. It also comes with things like Microsoft Word, the pocket version of Word. So you can see I've got documents on here. I don't know how good of a job I'm doing showing this thing.
No, you're actually showing it very well.
And you know, I can actually edit Word documents on here or Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Now, to be fair, this is certainly not the only phone on the market. If we go back over here, you know, this is a Windows-based smartphone. There are others like the BlackBerry from RIM, which is very popular and has a lot of the same types of capabilities as this.
But the main thing is that it's synced with your computer, so that's just not another piece of equipment you have to carry around to manage your life.
It's not just another phone where you have to program all this stuff in yourself. You can hook it into the computer, synchronize it, keep basically everything in here, and as an added bonus, if I add data through here or send email, I can push it back this way. So essentially, this is like a backup device to some degree.
And I'll tell you this, Dave Hatter knows all the latest and greatest when it comes to the internet and the technologies out there to help you live your life. You can get more information by going to our website, fox19.com. You can call Dave at Libertas Technologies, 859-261-9700. I'm going to have to ask you, how much is that going to cost me?
Well, it depends. If I signed up for a 2-year contract on this with Verizon, which I already had them anyway, and it cost about $300.
$300. Okay, now if I just wanted to go out and buy that phone,
I think it's about $500.
$500, okay.
But again, it combines all this different functionality. It's a camera. It does everything.
What would happen if you lost that thing there?
I'd be pretty unhappy about that.
Dave Hatter, all the best to you.
Thanks, Rob.
We have much more on the Fox 19 Morning News to come.